working on the front yard, getting the leaves taken care of. I got most of the leaves blown out of the garden, but as you can see, they're coming back. As fast as I take them out, they come back. But I just want to dump those pots and have the dirt land around in the garden, because that's good dirt. It's something we found that's called Miracle Grow raised bed potting soil, and it works great. I mean, everything that you put in it grows like the dickens, and it's very light, easy to move around. I like it. Now I got to take this. I hope the tarp holds together. That's a pretty ratty tarp, but I didn't want to take one of my new ones and do that, or one of my good ones and do that. Usually I pick this all up with a bagger, but there was just one big windrow right behind the garden from all those leaves over the neighbor's yard that blew in, and I didn't want to have to unplug the chute all the time, so I decided I was going to rake them up into that tarp. We'll see how it does. If I can get it out to the backyard, that's a big plus.